Welcome to my channel about vision robotics and embedded systems. This video is focused on my ESP32, a system on chip that is connected to several pieces of electronics and now focused on these two 7-segment displays. Recently I have tried to connect and control both of them at the same time, and therefore I have been adjusting the code which I wrote in C. That is not going to plan, but let's see whatever happened, because one time it does work and one time it doesn't work. So let's see how this works out, and for that I changed to screencast. Screencast with view on the board, the compiling terminal. Let me name it. Monitor/flash. Monitor for just monitoring. Flash is for just flashing, i.e. programming it. And then this is obviously source code. Source code according to the ESP IDF toolchain. And one of the things that is nice for now, well, depending on what you describe nice, I have the code here, and I commented for myself which is which. Two LEDs, basically 7 LEDs for each. And the problem now is that there are states. Each digit is a state controlling an LED, more LEDs, one or more. But last time it actually functioned, it did control just this one first. So first this one, and then it started out with this one, while I want to see both of them at the same time. So I have to control both at the same time, but since commands are not displayed, I want to see this text displayed during the running. And let me just run it. When something happens, like turn the LED on, turn the motors on. Well, only one motor controlled now, but it's not controlled by the running software. It's another piece of software, but it's not doing anything. So let me quit this, and then I need to see which one is which. Well, I have the schematics right here. Schematics in the sense of which LED is controlled by which port, controlled by which output. And last time I made a mistake, which I corrected, because one port was input instead of output. And this may be familiar. So I had to change things according to the schematics. Anyway, I need to find out why things are not working the way they should. And also, the wiring is a complete mess. I need to tidy it out, because that is way easier for me to check. What is not helping is that the breadboards are a bit small for this project. So I have to use this kind of wiring. And now I also see that one wire is out, which I fixed. And it's not making it easier. Well, let's continue. So finding technical issues, solving them, and then finally you have to rewire. Because if I just wiggle the board, then without this wiring and not the program running, you would see digits on the display, as you can see now. And that, although the program is running now, but you can't see the actual digits being programmed. And sorry for the movement of the camera, by the way. And this should also not be happening. And when I just let it go, it stops. So yeah, does it work? Yes, it does work, but not the way I like. You see 2 and 3, some E, which should be probably in 8, or whichever. Things do work, kind of, and everything needs to be rewired like this. That's for another time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. You can also support my channel, which is also very much appreciated. You can support by via PayPal, by buying me coffee via coffee.com. You can also join me as a member via Patreon and via Ko-fi to see the whole video, the full-length video of about 40 minutes. And you can also buy the video via my Ko-fi shop. Everything is in the description box under the video. And the members are listed on a special page of my website, depending on the pledge they made. And if you want to be mentioned on the screen, please see the membership options via Patreon and Ko-fi. This is going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.